BC team! BC team!
All right, we are back in my home state, Missouri. We're in Waynesville, Missouri, Waynesville Career Center, the Show Me State. So let's go show them what we have.
BCT 2023!
Today, we're going to be making a 4-inch carbon weld here. We're going to TIG weld this thing all the way out. Who's the best welder in the class? Who? You? What's your name? Mason. Mason? You want to be on QC? So first thing to a good weld is a good fit, right? So what we're going to do is we want to make sure that we have proper alignments of the pipes, make sure our high-low is good. That look pretty good? Okay. So we're going to go ahead and put tack in here. Eyeballs.
Our school does a tool scholarship every year, and we do a golf tournament fundraiser for that. And that was our fire pit for last year's fundraiser. Our piece of equipment broke down and we didn't get it done in time. So that's sitting over there, and we'll either sell that or donate it to that fundraiser for the student tool scholarship for next year. I think you need to love what you do to be really great at what you do. I love what I do. Like I said, I've been doing it for 25 years, and who knows how much longer I'll keep doing it. I love to teach students. We just have a great time. This is a fantastic building. All the teachers here love what they do. They have a passion, and they want to teach their trade to the future of what we have here in this country.
All right, guys, but we made this weld here with you guys today. We actually tacked it up to this base plate. Now I want to present this to Mr. Rodden here. But I just want to give a big round of applause to all your teachers here teaching you guys these blue collar trades. They're the first step to your guys' future. So let's give them a big round of applause. All right, guys, we're just rolling up here in Waynesville, Missouri. We had a great time. We had a lot of students from all over. All these schools come in to come check us out. Got to explore the blue collar trades. It was great seeing some familiar faces, and we hope to see you guys out in the trades. All right, Blue Collar Tour 2023. We're in Waynesville, Missouri, and let's